Hello, everyone. How are you? Hope you are having a beautiful Wednesday. I am in lovely downtown St. Petersburg, Florida. My kids are, we have a really fun event coming up this Sunday, and Lonnie and I wanted to hop on so that you could hear all about it directly from us. It is called Spring into Self-Love. Number one, I want to tell you that self-love is so important to us. I know we are self-care for Melanated Mamas, but self-love, we really feel like, is the key to actually performing self-care. Like, self-love is this feeling that you have for yourself, that you really care about who you are, you love who you are, you think you are that important, and so therefore you love on yourself. You do the things for self-care because you know that you need them and you deserve them, and that is like the catalyst to it all happening. So, hey, Lonnie, I was
Hello.
just explaining why we think self-love is so important, like how we have to have that before we actually do the self-care practices and rituals.
Yes, it's so true. If you don't love yourself, you're not going to pour into yourself, right? You're not going to do the things that are self-care if you're not loving yourself first.
Absolutely. So this Sunday, we are springing into self-care. We already sprung into spring. I'm really playing on these words here. You guys saw our story yesterday. I'm super excited. It's a new astrological year. We had a new moon yesterday. It is spring. It is a time for fresh beginnings. And I think those fresh beginnings with you, yourself, are really, really important. So we hope that you guys will join us Sunday. Lonnie made the agenda. It is action-packed, so I will let her share what's going on.
Yeah, it is. So I think we chose the theme of spring into self-care because when we think about like springing forward or spring cleaning, right? We think about all the physical things that we want to do, like around the house and organize our schedules. I have a little baby here with me. Okay. And you want to see? Okay. We want to spring into self-love, right? We want to clean up those things that may cause us not to be loving ourselves properly. So during our spring into self-love event, we are going to work on kind of reframing our inner voice, putting some positive affirmations, personal positive affirmations in there. Talk about loving your body and thanking it for all the beautiful things that it has done. We're going to do some movement, and we are also going to tell you all the great things about our self-love retreat that will be happening this year in September, end of September, beginning of October. So we are super excited to share all of that with you. This is an absolutely free event. You just need to join the community, which is also free. So click the link in our bio to register for the community, and then also to register for that event, Spring into Self-Love. We also have some special guests coming during the event. We have one of the facilitators from our self-love retreat coming, and we also have an author coming for our next book club. What's the
We
name?
have
But do it for your selfie. Do it for your selfie. She's gonna come and do some activities with us as well. So, like Nicole said, it is definitely action packed, and we hope to see you there so you can spring into self love.
Yes. And it's also going to be a really great opportunity to ask us any questions about the community, about the retreat. We are going to have some open time for that with, like she said, the facilitator that does our Coco Queen Self-Love Workshop at the retreat. So we definitely, you've been following us for a while, seeing everything that we've got going on. This is the perfect time to join us. and get your questions answered and really see what an event is like. This will be really similar. Actually, this is a good mix between a lounge, which is a free event we do every month, and a workshop,
Yeah.
which is an event that happens through our paid side of our community. So you kind of will get an idea of all that we do, and we would love to meet you. So
Yeah.
we actually, before we hopped on this live, we sat down with each other and did a little manifesting. So, like I said, new moon, if you're all familiar, one of the things that you should do during this time is set your intentions and your goals. And especially where this moon is in Aries and the start of the astrological year, it's a perfect time for new beginnings and to think about those goals and those things that you want to accomplish. And we sat down and had that conversation together. And we had written our goals out, but we spoke them out loud because there's something special about actually saying your goal out loud. We will do X, Y, and Z. We
Yeah.
will have, ABC. This is a beautiful time of the year to do that. It's never too late to set goals. You don't need it to be anybody's new year for you to do that, but it's nice to feel that clean slate. The universe is definitely on your side right now. And we want to be a part of that with you guys. So we hope to see you Sunday. Definitely sign up for the community, and we'll talk soon.
We'll see you there.